The chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERHA, Philip Armstrong, has dismissed concerns about one of its directors leading the probe into the improper disposal of neonates at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. SERHA selected one of its directors, Dr. Patrice Charles Freeman, to lead the investigation. However, opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, yesterday said her involvement would represent a conflict of interest. He says that is because SERHA has direct oversight responsibility for Victoria Jubilee Hospital. SERHA's board chairman, Philip Armstrong, disagrees with the assertion.
KPH and VGH are hospitals that fall under the remit of SERHA. Therefore, it's our responsibility to find out what went wrong and to address the issue. Insofar as, and it's early days of what it is that we're accomplishing.
Mr. Armstrong stressed the matter is not a political issue. He outlined Dr. Charles Freeman's role in the investigation.
There are two investigations that are ongoing. One, we are working with the police to determine if it's a criminal matter. And two, what Dr. Freeman is doing is actually conducting an investigation to ensure that all policies and procedures were followed. Insofar as that it gets to the point where we think that an independent is required, we will do the same. But this is the early stages of the process, and as such, we're of the view that there is no conflict.
SERHA on Saturday ordered an immediate investigation into the circumstances under which the bodies of two neonates stored at the KPH morgue were improperly disposed of on Friday. That after dogs were seen taking the bodies from the hospital.